Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can log out of all devices with your Hulu account. So first you need to go to hulu.com, and I'll link the webpage that I'm currently on right at the top of the video description. Once you're on this page, click the menu and then click log in. And then type in the credentials to your Hulu account, your email and password, and then click log in. And then once you're logged in, find where it has your account name and then hover over it and then go down and click where it says account. And then that will take you to the manage your account page. Once you're on this page, scroll down to the bottom and find where it says privacy settings. And then once you're to the privacy and settings area, go down and click on where it says protect your account. And this is where if you go ahead and click log out of all computers and work your way through that, then you should log out of all devices other than the current web browser that you're using. And this can be helpful if you're suspecting that somebody else is using your account, or maybe somebody who's not helping you pay for your subscription that you share your account with is using too many streams, so you can log them out so you can get access to that content. I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and hope to see you guys back here for future videos.